Question Varistor asks answer non-linear resistor. Question Insulating materials have the function of answer preventing a short circuit between conducting wires. Question The rating of a fuse wire is always expressed in answer amperes. Question The minimum charge of an ion is answer equal to the charge of an electron. Question In a series circuit with unequal resistance, answer the highest resistance has the highest voltage drop. Question The filament of an electrical bulb is made of answer tungsten. Question A 3 ohm resistor having 2 ampere current will be dissipate the power of answer 6 watt. Question is that statement is true? A galvanometer with low resistance in series is an ammeter. Answer yes, it's true. Question The resistance of a few meters of wires conductor in closed electrical circuit is answer practically zero. Question If a parallel circuit is opened in the main line, then the current answer is 0 in all branch. Question If a wire conductor of 0.2 ohm resistance in double in length, its resistance become answer 0.4 ohm. Question 360 volt bulbs and are connected in parallel across the 60 volt power line. If one bulb burns open, answer the other two bulbs will light. Question The 4 bulbs of 40 watt each are connected in series with a battery across them. Which of the following statement is true? Answer The current through each bulb is same. Question Two resistance R1 and R2 are connected in series across the voltage source where R2 is greater than R1. The largest drop will be across. Answer R2. Question What will be energy used by the battery if the battery has to drive 6.28 multiplied 10 to the power 18 electrons with potential difference of 20 volt across the terminal? Answer 20 joule. Question A closed switch has a resistance of answer 0. Question The hot resistance of the bulb filament is higher than its cold resistance because the temperature coefficient of the filament is answer positive. Question The insulation of on a current carrying conductor is provided answer to prevent leakage of current and to prevent shock. Question The thickness of insulation provided on the conductor depends on answer the magnitude of voltage on the conductor. Question Which quantities remains the same in all part of a series? Answer current. Question A 40 watt bulb is connected in series with a room heater. If now 40 watt bulb is replaced by 100 watt bulb, the heater output will be answer increases. Question A 500 watt 220 volt bulb is supplied with 110 volt. Power consumption by the bulb will be answer slightly greater than 125 volt. Question In an electrical kettle, water boils in 10 minutes. It required to boil the boiler in 15 minutes. Use same supply means answer length of heating element should be decreased. Question An electric filament bulb can be worked from answer DC supply, AC supply and battery supply. Question Resistance of a tungsten lamp blank as applied voltage increase. Answer increases. Question Electrical current passing through the circuit produce answer magnetic field, luminous effect and thermal effect and chemical effect. Question Resistance of a material always decrease. Answer number of free electrons available become more. Question If the efficiency of a machine is to be high, what should be low? Answer losses. Question When electrical current passes through a metallic conductor, its temperature rises. This is due to answer collision between conduction electron and atom. Question 2 bulb of 500 watt and 200 watt rated at 250 volt will be resistance ratio is answer 2:5. Question A glass rod when rubbed with silk cloth and is charged because answer it gives away electron. Question Whether circuit may be AC or DC, one following is most effective in reducing the magnitude of a current. Answer resistor. Question It become more difficult to remove answer third electron from the orbit. Question When one leg of parallel circuit is open, answer out the total current will be answer decreases. Question In a lamp load when more than one lamp are switched on, the total resistance of the load answer decreasing. Question Two lamps 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series across 230 volt alternating. Which lamp is glower brighter? Answer 40 watt lamp will glower brighter. Question Resistance of 220 volt and 100 watt lamp will be answer 484 ohm. Question In the case of direct current, answer magnitude and direction of current remains constant. Question When electrical current passes through a bucket full of water, lot of bubbling is observed that suggests that the type of supply is answer DC.